Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set everyone can send you friend request in your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu and press on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. Then scroll down. Now press on How people find and contact you. Here you can see the option of Who can send you friend request. If you want to set here Everyone can send you friend request, then press on Everyone option. Press on Save. That's it. So this is how to set everyone can send you friend request in your Facebook. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.